So in this film, I'm going to show you how to unload the stretch wrap film from your Tab Wrapper Tornado. On the side of your Tab Wrapper, you have an access door. Once you open this door, the e-stop will be engaged and your machine will not run. With your palm, you're going to push back on the rollers until it engages into the stretch wrap clip. Once it engages to the stretch wrap clip, you can now pull your roll back, forward, and then release your stretch wrap film. You are now ready to load in a new stretch wrap. On the side of your Tab Wrapper Tornado, you have an access door. When you open that access door, you're going to notice a red light come on. That is your e-stop light being engaged so that your machine cannot run. Using your palm, you're going to push the rollers back into the dispenser unit clip until it locks into place. Once it locks into place, you're ready to install the stretch wrap onto the plastic rollers. The stretch film needs to feed off the bottom of the stretch wrap. You then place the end and push into the plastic roller so the spring is compressed and slide it into the front roller. Once again, make sure that your stretch film is loading off the bottom and not the top. Now you can push in your stretch wrap clip to bring your rollers forward. Now you can weave the stretch wrap over top of your rollers and underneath, coming out of the bottom. Your stretch film is now loaded and ready